funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hi friends, welcome back to Fashion Beauty Bang. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for spending a few moments of your day here with me. You may be thinking to yourself, wow, that's a gorgeous lippy you have on there, Miss Fashion Beauty Bang. Whatever could it be? Let me tell you. The lip liner is Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Posy K. I used the Tarte Lip Architect, which is now quickly becoming my favorite, and this is in the shade Sweet Pea. And this time, if you hear something, that is my dog. Bless you, honey. Bless you. Say hi. And for my gloss, I'm using the ColourPop. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Space Maker. Gorgeous nude gloss that I'm obsessed with. So today's video is about a brand that they reached out to me. They wanted to send me a few of their products. I'm now an ambassador for this brand, and the brand is Stylevana. If you have never heard of them, I'm not sure what planet you're living on, because they are all over Instagram. I've seen them all over social media. They have trendy Asian beauty and fashion. If you've seen a lot of my Instagram posts, I share a lot of K-Beauty products, K-Beauty subscription boxes. So it just seemed like a good fit when they reached out to me. I always stress this when brands reach out to send me products, whether it be PR or sponsorships. Like, I can't promise anyone like a total positive review. It's just not possible. I don't care how much you pay me. I'm not going to sway my opinion from my actual feelings, thoughts. Not for you, friends. You can always count on Miss Fashion Beauty Bang.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
All right, this is the product that I was most excited about. This is the Premium White Pure Goat Milk Cream. The goat milk cream is by far my favorite. So here is the outer packaging. It does feel luxurious. On the inside, you actually have the little spoon where you can scoop out the product. It has a very light, fresh scent. This product is made of 75% goat milk extract. I love the consistency. It's more like a gel cream, if that makes sense. It blends so easily into the skin, and this by far is my favorite of the three products that I chose. And this product is on the more expensive side. All the details will be down below. My skin looked so great. I use this as a primer. I used it alone in the morning, at night for 2 weeks. And honestly, in those 2 weeks, I really do think my skin looks better. It looks more soft. I don't know. It could be me, but it just looks better. It seems like my skin texture's more smooth than it was before. I don't know. It could be psychological because, you know, it's fancy and stuff, but I've never used a product that has primed my face and made my skin look so good my entire life than this right here. I'm that confident. I'm that confident. And this one's amazing. The next product I chose was the Fork Eyebrow Tint in the shade 03 Light Brown. Here is what it looks like. It looks like a little fork on the end. And I chose this color because of my hair. As you can see, when I'm applying it, it definitely does have a more warm reddish tone to it. And I did use this in conjunction with an eyeshadow. I just use an eyeshadow to fill in my brows. I like this product because you don't have to have a lot of eyebrow hair to use it. You really can draw on those little bitty hair-like strokes and it stays on. It really does stay on. Like you can see, it stays on. It's pretty budge proof. Even when my brow powder, even if it wears down or fades away, you can still see this, like it still stands strong. So this is definitely a great product. I want to try more shades of this just to see, but I do like this. It's worth a try. The last product I have is a neat little product. I love products that are versatile, one product that does different things. When you're busy, when you're on the go, you want products like that, right? Okay, I do. And this is the Lux Dual Stick. This is in the shade 1. Now, I use this as eyeshadow. You could definitely use this to bronze and contour with as well. I didn't. I just wanted to try it on my eyes. It blended so easily when I blended it with a brush. Like I could move it around and blend it. And it just looks super, super natural. Asian beauty in general, it's very natural. They don't have many shades at all in their complexion products, whether it be foundations, concealers, powders, none of that. I like this more as an eyeshadow base than actually using the product alone by itself. I find this to be a very, very, very natural coverage, but you can use it as highlight, contour, and all of that jazz. Side, the brown, and is the lighter side. Yeah, that's it. So what did I think about Stylevana? I liked it. I liked all the products that I tried. Would I recommend this brand? I would. And I would recommend you going over to Stylevana. They have a sale right now. I think it's like 12%, 15%. It's an odd number, but it's on their homepage as soon as you go. And they have free shipping and free samples with all orders 35 and over. This, I'm telling you, more people, this needs to be known about. You need to know about this right here. See if you can get a sample. You'll thank me. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, bye. Bye.
Champagne or chateau.